Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you ride bike, you're definitely going to need some tubes for your tires, and these are the way to go. These are the Conti tubes from Continental, and they are super easy to install. My husband always has these on hand, even as backups that he carries with him on his bike at all times, just in case of an emergency. So here you can see my husband installing the inner tubes in his brand new tires, and they slide right in with no problem. It just takes a few minutes to put them in there, and then once they are nice and secure, you'll want to pump them up and you'll be good to go. So we do like the ease of use, and it just makes for a great riding experience overall. So if you're in the market for some tubes for your bike wheels, definitely check out Conti Tube by Continental. You won't be disappointed. They're going to last you a long time because they're made out of really great quality material, and that's our point of view.